All right, ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, what's up, what's glorious, man? It's the 25 days of thriftness. Your host with the most, Paul Cantu. Now, it's all about the what? My brothers. It is all about the you, huh?
It's all about the you.
Lil Kinky Twist is live in the mix as well. We're outside the family thrift on Hillcroft. And I want to shout out everyone dropping the comments, being a part of this video every day of this month type of vibe that we got going on. Please smash the like button at the beginning of this video and also follow Thrift Heaven on Instagram. That is how you guys know when stuff is added to the website for everyone who does ask. And yeah, man, without further ado, let's get in there. Ain't that right, buddy?
Yes, sir.
Already. Dude, check this out. This is Law of Attraction 101. This is the secret at work. Bro, hold this up, man. Look what was found. We're fitted in the Miami gear. I mean, you guys see what we got going on here. And then look at that. It's all about the what, bro?
It's all about the you.
Ah. You guys, I'm saying we're not lacking, bro. We even got the U on foot, boy. Look at that tag right there. Hey, these were $35 at Rizzy Rose Ross. And these are not that comfortable. Like, this little support beam is digging into my foot right there, but it is what it is, man. Fashion is a sacrifice, as they say. Coco Chanel's. Hey, fam. Happy holidays. Hey, this is to scale and is an accurate textural and colorful composition. That pecker, baby. You guys know you want your carrots. Makes your eyesight better, huh? All right, man, hit them with the first find of the day, bro. What we got?
Boots to asses.
Hello. That's nice right there. 24/7.
365.
Huh. That's the Rock.
The most electrifying man in sports and entertainment, The Rock.
What does that say?
Howdy, Camp.
Howdy, yeah, howdy, Camp, man. He got the fat. What do you think he's driving?
That's a John Deere.
That's a John Deere, goddamn it, man. What do you think it's powered by? Fossil fuels, or is it powered by like
Let
marijuana?
me dig in that bag of the reefer.
Canola oil.
Oh, canola. I never heard of that shit. Right, I heard it worked though, but I never heard of it though.
Shut up, bitch.
Guys, look at this dude, man. He is in full attitude stance. You have the M&M's all over print racing tee. Boy is suited and booted up, and then you have another all over print. Bruh, what? Female icon. You have the Justin Bieber. Look at this man. That fool is too cool. What era is this out of? Like, I don't know, late 2010s?
I don't know.
Hey, man.
We got young Bieber. We got like older Bieber.
Wait, that's one good looking lesbian. Bro, Kinky just found those fine spirits that Captain Morgan. That dude has a fat kneecap. Y'all ever notice that?
Wow.
Hey, then that booty print, that's real nice. What that is, bro? That no fur?
Mm-hmm.
That's something special right there.
All embroidered.
That is embroidered. Wow. We have classiness embodied, my friends. And these two, maybe three pieces of crew neck fire. You have the Jaguar in the light gray. You have the Yale University Bulldogs. And then you have the Arizona Pueblo encrusted forest green crew neck. Oh yeah. God, Kinky's just pulling grails today. What is that?
Bro, that's that Kellogg's Times Champion.
That Champion cereal collaboration?
Nice.
What's up, bro?
That booty, bro.
Oh, that fool. Hey, that rat ass. What were you saying about the two pieces you got over there? Show the people. What is this? What you got right
Bro,
here?
what's a dictaphone?
A what?
A dictaphone?
A dictaphone.
Dictaphone.
Bro, I have no idea. What do you think it is?
I don't know. Maybe like a phone that you use exclusively for dick pics.
Oh, that is a dictaphone.
Aloha.
Bro, you're smart.
You very smart.
We got the Nike.
Okay.
That whole
Scarlet red, huh?
oh, match my car.
Yes, sir. Oh, your car.
Yeah.
The people don't know about that yet, bro. Oh, you just tickled their senses with a little secret, huh? And I wolf is a little angry.
Mm-hmm.
What you think he's mad about, bro?
I mean, for one, he ain't got no body.
I'd be pretty pissed I ain't nobody either.
Exactly, bro.
Fool's just a floating head.
Right.
That, well, really, he gets around like by rolling on the hockey puck. Like the hockey puck, I think is actually his body.
Or is that like the hockey puck's his body and he has one leg and that's the stick?
That's what I think it is. I think we figured it out.
I'd be pissed off too.
Yeah, me too. Valid. All right, I think starting later today, I'm gonna make it official and start rocking nothing but Christmas merch. This is a crazy 90s piece though. It is all printed on the sleeves and on the front of this crew neck facade. It got reindeer booty in abundance. This is awesome, man. Is that Abby?
Yeah, my girl Abby Wambach.
Rapinoe gets a crossing. It's towards one.
Hey, that's fire though. Little women's soccer jersey. I think you can squeeze into this, bro.
No, I don't. No, I don't think so.
You don't?
No.
We can imagine though, right?
No.
Yeah, let's close our eyes and imagine.
Let's not.
Let's do it, huh? Let's do it.
No,
Let's do it. Bro, this is high key a grail. Look at this bootleg. You got the Jordan Nike Air tee. Bro, they even put the bull's head in the circle. This thing definitely would go for a little bit of a cashola. It fit me like a crop top.
Like this, without the Nike Air, that was a tee, bro.
Yeah,
I have that tee, bro.
For real?
Yeah.
It looks hand drawn. Look at that armpit. Dude, yes.
Nice.
Definitely will let you breathe, let some air in and out, a little bit of ventilation for the pits. Bro, this is crazy though, man. Wow. Man, that boy Kinky just heat seeking. Champion vintage crew neck, all embroidered. And then look at this young genius, actually old deceased genius. You have the Alberto Einstein. Wow. Oh, that thing is crazy colorful. That Tommy for your mommy, baby. This is what I love the most about thrift shopping. Locating the half-eaten sandwiches. Ooh, with the toasted bread. That's delicious. Hey, but real talk, man. Check out this piece. You have the Miami saucing like a dolphin Lee Sport crew neck. Kind of like a shockwave design. Looks like an atom bomb just got dropped. That is so divine. Why is the sneaker section going this crazy? My size, my guys, legit size 10 through 12. You have the vintage Taz Schlippers. Classics.
Poison dart frogs.
Bro, that is tough
Actually, no, those are
looking.
tree frogs.
Yeah, those are those tree frogs, bro.
All three of y'all.
They got them grips on them too. Bro, the tie-dye job,
It's so clean.
that's beautiful. Check this out too, guys. Look at that. Hand fixed. Slightly distressed with age. You have the super old school Carhartt jacket. Bro, that tag is ancient on that dude. Size 44. It doesn't even have the Carhartt emblem anywhere on it aside from right there on the inside. That's what I like, man. Carhartt. My man was letting the bangs flow. Got the little Scottish Terrier. Oh,
Sweat.
I gotta hit it one time for the culture. Stroke my cactus.
is lit.
What you found there, bro?
Y'all peep that tag.
Oh, you found yourself a live one, huh?
Yes, sir.
Oh, yes. Let the neck drop, man. What is that? Guess? Bro, it's like very unbranded. It even has the navy on navy. You need like a magnifying glass to see that. Slight thread count. That's what we like. Not too opulent, subtle, sexy. A class act. Oh my God, guys.
Bro.
Guys, I just found a $200 Adidas US men's soccer jersey. This is a straight up grail. Look at the constellation, the stars twinkling in the sky, all embroidered little hits on the tits. Look at that tag. Oh man, made in Colombia. Look at that, all over print. I found one of these before and I let it go because it was too big for me, but man, this thing is beautiful, dude. That is a thrift grail if I've ever seen one. And Kinky's over here geeking about it too, ain't that right?
Bro.
Exactly.
It's my size, ho.
You trying to get it?
I really am.
Bro, that's you, man. That's you, bro.
I appreciate you, bro.
Yes, sir.
You're a real one.
Of course, man.
Damn,
Homie.
bro, this hoe's so clean.
Hell yeah, homies over money.
Shut up, bitch.
You tried.
Bro, I gotta bless you, bro. I know you'll enjoy it. Hey,
You already know.
hey, what you found, bro?
No, it looks pretty nice, right?
Pretty nice on the back. Yeah, what's going on in the front? Oh my goodness. Christian Dior in the thrift store once again. Bro, this is like 2 trips to the thrifts in a row where we found Dior in the thrift.
Look at the buttons.
Oh my god, look at that Christian Dior branding, little detailing. Got some filigree around the button, just surrounding it. Man, we're high fashion individuals, ain't that right? Okay, you think that's cool? Check out my back door, bro. Another one. That gas? Come on, son. And look at this. It is all stitched in as well. It has the texturization. Got the nice US kind of emblem. Quality, liberty, justice. Yes. Wow. And it's even on the vintage frame. Like, look at that old school tag right there. Man, that is nuts. So that's 3 guest pieces in one store so far. Let's freaking go, man. We're blessed, straight up. Wow, that's 90s color blocking if I've ever seen it. Look at these two, man. Got the Mike Dicka crew neck and the super vintage Disney. This is like felt patched. Oh, that feels nice. Bro, Marlboro? Okay, this is this is getting out of line now. This is getting out of hand. It has the nice little plaid interior, the beautiful brown leather. Oh man, dude, the sleeve never deceives. And legit, you have all these little kid clothes, right? And then you have the outlier. This dude does not fit in.
Jackpot.
Wow. Ashton Kutchered out. This is Hang 10 brand. Just look at that. This looks like a parachute that you get trapped under in gym class. Oh, no, you didn't. Mickey? Hey, that rat ass.
This whole row is just ridiculous right now.
Yeah, this thing is stacked. All right, guys, we're hitting absurdly hard today. And that's because there's like 4 times as much men's stuff out as normal. Like, look at this starter that goes harder, bro. You got that Modano, all embroidered Dallas Stars jersey. Oh, the sleeve, man. Okay, this store is going above and beyond today. Look at this vintage Nike. I'm thinking great tag. Confirmed. Size medium. This is what a non-neuter dog looks like. This guy is just oozing confidence. Unreal. What's up, bro?
Wear starter, you find starter.
Oh my god. Hey, we're rocking Miami. We're finding Miami. I'm saucing like a dolphin. Oh my god. Exact same print, different color scheme, same design. Starter NFL on the interior. God, that is beautiful. I swear, that's one of the most sick colorways in all of sports. Don't at me, bro. Concussion protocol in place. Look at that patch. Fudge monkey. Okay, this is just dumb at this point. Leather jacket, right? St. Louis Cardinals. Predominantly black frame. STL on the back. And this isn't that Stephen Barry's, man. This is high quality leather. Hey, what's good, guys? So we're back, baby. I don't know why we didn't do a conclusion at the thrift, but you guys know how it goes sometimes in the trenches. But I want to tell you guys, man, thank y'all so much for watching. Please like, comment, and subscribe. Also, check out the website. We do have a new drop up today. It's called thrifttypeofvintage.com. Link is in video description. And also, I know I wanted to do a video every day, and I didn't do one yesterday. But bruh, man, I'm trying to live my life at the same time. So I'm just gonna drop as many videos as I can and as quality as I can as well. But anyways, thank you guys so much for watching, for showing love and all that. We got plenty of content. If you guys just want to go binge this week's lineup of videos, definitely be sure to do so. Anyways, love you guys, live the dream, eat that ice cream. Until next time, I'm locked, I'm loaded. As Hinky would say, always eat the booty, and I'm out.
Killing these songs, leaving a bloody life I roost to. And I'm in it to win it, so I'm somebody that you should get used to.